All right, we're gonna take a look at the butterfly kick. I'm gonna teach you 3 different steps to get to it. This is the butterfly kick. Looks like this. All right, so the first thing you wanna do, step number 1, is work on your cartwheel. So just getting this really comfortable. To start the cartwheel, you can just do this little mini version, drill this until you can start to kick nice and vertical up and over the top like this. Cool, so that's the basics. Or the prerequisite. You really want to have a good cartwheel before you do butterfly kicks. I find that the cartwheel that I feel most comfortable on, my left arm, is the best side for my butterfly kick. So if you feel comfortable on the left side, I'm going to teach you the left side today. If it's your right side that you feel more comfortable on, you can do the right side as well. Alright, so cartwheels, you can actually practice the step leading into it. So from our cartwheel, we'd normally stand in position facing forward or sideways. For this one, I want you to start facing away from the direction that you're moving. So from here, I take a step back with my left leg, because my left arm is going down. I turn and I cartwheel. This is just going to get the basic setup for the butterfly kick. So let's do that one again. Stepping back, turn, into our cartwheel. The next stage that we're going to do is using the box. We're going to do that same setup, standing like this, stepping back. But for this one, we want to drop down, bend the legs, come all the way through, place our hands on the box, and then we're going to use the legs to do the same position for the butterfly kick. And the position looks like this. In the air, we're in this like Superman position like that. So we're horizontal to the ground, lifting the arms and the legs straight up. So make sure the legs are straddled. So this box variation is really good to just drill that. So I step back, dip down, turn, 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 lift, lift, and then back to here. So just put this one on repeat. I'll just do it one more time, just so this feels really comfortable, just so you know exactly what you're doing in the air. All right, let's take a look at the actual butterfly kick. I'm facing away from the direction that I'm moving, and again, I'm just using my left side. Step back with my left leg. I drop down and I start to turn. This action of dropping down and turning is going to automatically kind of turn us in this direction without us thinking about twisting or rotating. So I step back, I drop down, start to look towards the back wall, turn, 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 and the first action is lifting this leg straight up. Lift it up. So we can practice that. Let's do a few reps of this one. Step back, down, lift. Let's do one more. Step back, turn, lift. All right, now the second leg is going to go just like the box variation. As we came around, the first leg lifted, and then the second leg follows it in that straddle position. So step back, dip down, lift, lift. You might not get horizontal in the beginning, but as you do the reps, you can work on it and start to get horizontal. So I'll just give you one more demo. Step back, turn, lift, lift. Oh, that's so much work. One more. Step back, turn, 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 lift, lift. It's also important to use the arms now. So start to incorporate the arms into it. I know there's a lot of moving parts, a lot of things to remember, but if you work on those variations, the cartwheel, the box, and just start to rep it out, using the arms to lift yourself in that horizontal position. One last rep. Step back, turn, lift, and then standing tall to finish. That's the butterfly kick.